Hey everybody, Jason here. I hope you're all doing really good. I want to take a few minutes and record a video to tell you all thank you. I really appreciate those of you that have chosen to be a channel member. I thank you all for subscribing. Everybody that watches, clicks like, all of you combined have made it possible for me to continue doing this YouTube channel. The revenue that has came in from this channel has actually saved my family's butt a couple of times. It's helped us to make that car payment. It's helped us to keep the lights on. And it's because of all of you participating and clicking on my videos that has made that possible. And I really want to say thank you. And I mean that from the bottom of my heart. I have had, over the last year or two, I have had to watch quite a few repair shops go belly up. With the way things are going with mobile device repair, there's been a lot of people throwing in the towel. When you look at the depreciation of the devices compared to the complexity of being able to repair it, there's some pretty scary stuff going on. So back before we had the split boards and you had a certain level of depreciation of the device after the new model was released, you could continue to charge, X amount of dollars that you're charging to fix that. And as it depreciates, you could afford to charge, a lesser amount to fix that device as the device depreciates. So when these things are being released literally every year by the handful, they're still completely repairable, but they're getting much, much more time consuming to repair. So take iPhone 10, for instance. I still can yank apart an iPhone 10 motherboard, fix it and put it back together pretty stinking quick. Same thing for the iPhone 11. So as that device depreciates, and it will rapidly, I can afford to charge a bit less on that repair to keep that repair viable. Beginning with the iPhone 12, if you have to take apart one of those motherboards, you have to clean all the pads off, reball it, put the motherboard back together. It's a very, very, very time-consuming process, and there's really not any way around it. So as that device depreciates, you can no longer really afford to charge much less on that repair to keep up with the depreciation. It's gotten to where I think a lot of the shops that are doing this are going to wind up only being able to service the newest models because they are going to depreciate. The new phone comes out next year, a new phone comes out next year, a new phone comes out. And right after it comes out, the value of the previous models just start to taper off. But what we're getting into now is the value is tapering off, but the repair complexity is staying flat or even going up. You're going to have to be really creative and very skillful to be able to work on these phones as they depreciate in the future. I'd like to hear from all of you. Please let me know in the comments below your thoughts on this. In today's economy, everybody's doing everything that they can to survive. Let me say this. Even if iPhone repairability and some of these phones, the repairability continues to decline, I don't feel like I've invested in any of a wasted skill set here because I can fix a ton of stuff. And my life as a repair tech, it is going to go on. Only I'm going to be able to continue, far into the future because I can do micro ball grid array. I can work on these teeny tiny little chips and do this proficiently. And this sort of thing, this isn't going away, but what is changing rapidly is the cell phones that I'm so used to working on. This video was intended to say thank you. I really appreciate you all watching this channel and helping to keep this going. And I really appreciate everybody that continues to send me repairs and devices to work on. I can't thank you enough. So I'll see you soon. Hopefully the next video is a repair video. Thanks for watching, everybody.